Love is like a black hole. Although the best of human life is directed towards it, it remains elusive. It does not have a specific texture, or smell, or weight. Instead, love can be seen through an accumulation of signs, symbols, and actions. Crystals intensify the experiences we have with love. The ritual of initiating love into your day can be a grounding experience. Putting intention with crystals into a love connection, whether that is with yourself or an intimate relationship, can be extremely powerful. Crystals are a way to locate and harness love. They bring tangibility into the realm of sensation and can aid in energetically aligning your mind, body, and spirit. Crystals can be used as anchors to change your energetic state. When working with crystals, it is important to lock into the energy of the specific crystal you are using. Take time to get to know the crystal you are working with and tap into its resources. The energy of each crystal will amplify any intention that you set, so make sure the stone you are using can hold and advance these desires. Before using a crystal, make sure to cleanse it and set a strong intention for usage. To do this, simply submerge it in salt water overnight, preferably on a windowsill. Alternatively, you can sage the crystal or clear it with sound healing. To infuse the crystal with your intention, set a mantra. Simple mantras work well as they are direct. This will program the crystal to be on the same wavelength as you, and aid in your growth and mission. Mantra: may this crystal help me to open my heart. May this crystal help to bring love into focus. Be deliberate with what you want and clear up your own state of mind before turning to crystal energy. To get specific before working with crystals, try creating a vision board. Vision boards are a powerful tool that you can use to visualize your perfect future. Write down what you want with the most specific detail. Imagination is the key to creating the best version of yourself and your life. It is no different in love. When setting out to create the life you want, these tools are indispensable. Crystals for self-love. There is no loving others without loving yourself first. Rose quartz stone is one of the best crystals for self-love. This is due to the very nature of the stone being pure love. This stone reminds us of who we are in our very essence and encourages us to drop into a space of healing. As a balancing stone, rose quartz helps us cleanse stagnant energy and move forward with pure desire. Ritual: using rose quartz crystals for self-love. Begin your day with a healing practice. Place a rose quartz stone under your pillow at night or next to your bed. When you wake up in the morning, hold the stone in your hands, and hold your hands to your chest. Repeat a morning mantra using the stone to align yourself in self-love for your day to come. Mantra: I love myself. I am enough. I am worthy of receiving love. I choose love to move forward into my day. My best friend is a lover of rose quartz crystals for self-love. She is so dedicated to the notion of self-love that she bought herself a rose quartz ring to remind her to continue her practice. When buying the ring, she jokingly said, "When I lose this ring, I will find my soulmate. Until then, I'm her." She has lost her ring many times, but it keeps coming back to her. She isn't mad though. She loves her ring and she is her own soulmate, a self-possessed woman. Using crystals for self-love is one of the best ways to energize your practice of self-fulfillment. By creating a ritual around filling up your own cup of love, and by harnessing the power of a stone like rose quartz, you are setting yourself on a path towards actualizing your own success. When your cup is filled, it is only then that you can give to others. Another way of incorporating crystals for self-love into daily practice is through drinking crystal water. On a physical level, it is important for us to stay nourished and hydrated, but spiritually, water also acts as a deep channeler of information and power. One way of using this as a tool to tap into self-love is through the crystal water bottle with rose quartz. Not only will it be raising your vibration, but it will also be a reminder to allow love in and soak up each moment of connection. Slowing down and staying present will allow space for love to show up in your day. Loving others is not possible without loving yourself first. Luckily, there are crystals and rituals to fill you up energetically. Crystals for romantic love. There are some things in life that you can't choose. One thing you can, however, is who you are partnered with. It is important to find a partner who complements you. Although intimate relationships can be daunting, they are also fundamental in who we are as a species. To have a vessel to pour your love into is a spectacular experience. There are many crystals for romantic love to use as tools. Crystals can be used to both strengthen an already existing intimate relationship and call one into focus. Going back to intention setting, it is important to find the right crystal to work with for what you want to evoke into your life. Be specific, but also make space for fun and play. The most exciting aspect of any love connection is that you are collaborating in life with another being. Crystals are an excellent tool to aid your joint journey. To strengthen communication in your relationship, a good crystal for romantic love to use is lapis lazuli. Communication is a cornerstone of any healthy relationship. This blue stone inspires honesty and helps align you to a higher purpose. Relationships are reflections of who we are as individuals. Sometimes in relationships, it is hard to share what you want to say. This can be due to past insecurity or a block in the flow state of the relationship. This can also be due to your own blockages and not knowing what your true desires are. Lapis lazuli is a crystal for romantic love that can help you bring into focus what you want to say, and aid you in delivering this message clearly and with warmth. The reality is, things come up in connections that are confronting. If we can simply breathe through these moments and remain in a state of togetherness, it builds for stronger unity. Ritual: using lapis lazuli as a crystal for romantic love, connect your physical body with the stone for optimum results. Wear this stone in order to create healthy communication in your relationship. Adorning your body with a symbolic reminder that you can communicate through the hard parts is extremely effective. Before having important conversations with a loved one, meditate with this jewelry by closing your eyes and imagining a blue light opening your throat. As the throat chakra is activated by this stone, focus your mind on what you want to say and how you want to say it. This practice will allow you to remain calm through the process and aftermath. Mantra: my words have an impact. I know what I want from my connections. I will be heard and appreciated when I speak my truth. I am strong in my conviction and am guided by spirit. Crystals can also be used to bring love into focus. Moonstone can be used to bring new love into your life. As this stone relates to the heart chakra, it can be used as a companion to aid your journey to find a partner. It is easy to feel overwhelmed at the prospect of calling in a new lover. This stone will help balance anxieties, as well as help clarify what your desires are. As this crystal is in alignment with the solar system as it ebbs and flows, it will also help you let go of old expectations, anxieties, and beliefs that are holding you back. Ritual: using a moonstone crystal for romantic love, track the moon cycle over the course of a month. When the moon is in its new phase, set a moonstone in a shallow dish of water by a windowsill. Allow for the stone to be touched by the moonlight and infuse the energy of your desire into the crystal as you submerge it underwater. Let the mantra be simple and effective. Take the stone out the next day and place it somewhere accessible to your eyesight. Next to your bed, near your makeup station, or by a favorite plant. Each time you see this stone, chant the mantra and think of all the things in your life that are evidence of this coming into focus. At the full moon, check in with yourself and your crystal and see what has come up that aligns with your intention. Maybe you passed someone on the street who smiled at you, or you were asked on a date or talked to someone who sparked your interest. Take even the smallest moments into account and give thanks to your stone for allowing you to see this. Repeat each month and track your progress. Wonderful things can happen when you are ready to see them. Mantra: I deserve fulfilling love. I am receptive to love. I am desired. What I seek is seeking me. My desires will manifest. Love and crystals are a match made in heaven. To generate loving kindness to yourself, others, and the world at large, bringing crystals into meditation, ritual, and intention setting is a surefire way to enhance your impact. Love takes dedication, devotion, and practice. Crystals for self-love and romantic love are a tool to be harnessed.